What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Remy here. Listen, I want to thank my sister Kawana for just doing a phenomenal job, just out here giving these people the game. Listen, because of this woman has completely, truly changed my life. I literally went from a struggling entrepreneur that was just doing media work, photography, cinematography, to now I'm actually in the processes of doing some drone footage with construction companies, a few construction companies. I'm actually getting ready to tap into a couple of real estate deals as well, just because of the connections that I made through the construction. They were very happy with my work. So literally we're looking at possibly $1 million year. I'm actually doing a $750,000 contract along with an additional $350,000 contract just this year alone. So I'm just so excited and just so grateful for my sister Kawana. Guys, get that program. If you are hesitant or don't know what to do, I promise you this is the program for you. Literally, I prayed about it, and that's probably been the best investment that I've ever made, and I'm so grateful for it, grateful for the opportunities, and grateful for the connections that I've been able to make just from the group alone. So shout out to Miss Kawana and shout out to my girl Miss Stacia. I appreciate you guys. God bless.